guys, cold startup. Here we go.
Give it some juice.
Everybody wants to know how it sounds when you start it up cold because they're worried about waking up their neighbors first thing in the morning. So it's got a nice mellow tone while it's just sitting at idle. It's definitely got a little deeper sound to it right off the bat. All right, let's hear how it sounds here.